guys, good morning again. Welcome to Math with Teens. Our topic for today is all about solving radical equations. In radical equation is an equation where the unknown quantity appears under the radical sign. In solving radical equations, we assume that if two numbers are equal, then their squares, cubes, or nth powers are also equal. In symbols, if y is equal to y, then x raised to n is equal to y raised to n for every positive integer n. Okay, so we have the steps on how to solve radical expressions. So first one, isolate the radical on the left side by applying appropriate properties of equality. Number 2, similar terms whenever possible. Third, get the end root of both sides of the equation. This will remove the radical sign. Fourth, solve the resulting equation. And the last one is check the solutions in the given equation for a possible presence of extraneous roots. Because extraneous roots are numbers obtained when solving an equation that is not a solution of the original equation. So let us give an example and let us follow the steps. So radical equation. So we have example number 1. Square root of x is equal to 7. So we need to write both sides quantity squared. So quantity squared because your index here is 2. So quantity squared and the right side is also quantity squared. So because we need to eliminate the square root sign and the squared, so it become x is equal to 49 because 7 times 7 is 49. After we solve that, we need to check if the solutions or if the solution is correct. So our given is square root of 7, square root of x is equal to 7. So substitute the value of x and that is 49. So 49, so square root of 49 is 7 is equal to 7. So check, this is correct. Okay, another example. Okay, so we have square root of x plus 3 is equal to 4. Or we can read this as square root of the sum of x and 3 then equal is 4. Then if we have like that, we need to raise into quantity squared. Yes, both sides. So quantity of square root of x plus 3 raised to 2 is equal to the quantity 4 raised to 2. After that, we need to eliminate the square root sign here and 2, the exponent of 2. So the answer in the left side is x plus 3 is equal to 16 because 4 times 4 is 16. Then we need to solve for x. So 3 transpose to the right side or using the subtraction property of equality. So it becomes x is equal to 16 minus 3. And 16 minus 3 is equal to 13. Then after that, let us check. Okay, given equation is the square root of x plus 3. X plus 3 is equal to 4. Substitute the value of x and that is 13. So it becomes 13 plus 3. So 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. So square root of 16 is equal to 4. Then square root of 16 is 4 is equal to 4 and that is correct. So our value of x now is correct. Okay, another example, number 3. 2, number 3, so 4 plus square root of x minus 2 is equal to x. So the first step here is to transpose 4 to the right side or use the subtraction property. So it become x square root of x minus 2 is equal to x minus 4. Then raise to squared, both sides. So eliminate the square root and the squared. So it become x minus 2 only is equal to, then multiply x minus 4 times x minus 4. So x minus 4 quantity squared means x minus 4, right, twice, then multiplying by x minus 4. Then, x times x is x squared. Then, negative 4x plus negative 4x is negative 8x. And negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. After that, we need to transpose x minus 2 to the right side. All of this. So, we need to write 0 equals 0 is equal to x squared, copy, minus 8x. So, positive x become negative x. Plus 16, then negative 2 become positive 2. Combine like terms. So, we have 0 is equal to x squared minus 8x minus x is negative 9x or minus x. Then 16 plus 2 is 18. Then after that, if you have the x squared, you need to get the solution. So, what are the value of x? So, the factor of x squared minus 9x plus 18 are x minus 6 and x minus 3. Okay, because x times x is x squared, so negative 6 tsaka negative 3 become negative 9. Then, negative 6 times negative 3 is positive 18. So, your factors are correct. So, what's are the value of x now? So, x minus 6 is equal to 0 and the other one is x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, I will erase this first. Okay, after that, so what are the values of x? So, x minus 6 is equal to x is equal to positive 6. X is equal to positive 6 and the other one, yung x minus 3 equals 0 is x is equal to positive 3. So, we have two answers. X equals 6 and x equals 3. So, we need to know if these two are the solutions. So, meaning we need to check both. Okay, in checking, in our original radical equation is 4 plus square root of 6 minus 2 is equal to 6 because our x is equal to 6. So, this x, substitute the values of x and that is 6. So, 6 minus 2, 4. So, we have 4 plus square root of 4 is equal to 6. And square root of 4 now is 2. So, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And 4 plus 2 is 6 is equal to 6. So, meaning, your answer of 6 is the solution because this is correct. How about if your x is 3? So, we need to substitute in the value of x. So, 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, 4 plus 1, square root of 1 is 1. So, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 is not equal to 3. So, that this 3 is not the solution. Therefore, x is equal to 3 is an extraneous root. So, it does not satisfy the original radical equation, meaning that we call extraneous root. And x is equal to 6 is only the solution. That's only one solution. Okay, so we have the next example, number 4. So we have cube root of x is equal to 3. So your index is 3. So you need to raise both sides into 3. So cube root of x raised to 3, then 3 cube. Then cancel the cube root and the exponent of 3. So we have x is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 and that is 27. So that is the solution. Let us check now. Cube root of x meaning, so you have cube root of 27 is equal to 3. So cube root of 27 is 3 is equal to 3. And that is check. Okay guys, that's all for today, the solving of radical equations. So thank you for watching and God bless.